Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your ULEFONE Armor 21. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the settings. So to do that, we need to go over into settings. Now we want to scroll down to sound and vibration, and we want to make sure that our media volume and call volume are maxed out. So these are the only two settings we should be worried about here. Now next, what you guys want to do is make sure that your speaker grill is clean. If it's not, then you can try cleaning it with a soft brush, for an example. It's pretty normal that your speakers can be filled with dust or debris, and that's why they may be just blocking the sound. So we need to make sure that they're clean. Now after that, what you guys want to do is go over to connected devices right up here and go to connection preferences. Now go to Bluetooth, and here make sure that Bluetooth is disabled, because we want to make sure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else and that we rule out any other devices from here. So we don't want our speakers to have the audio, we don't want our headphones, we don't want our car and everything else. So we need to make sure that Bluetooth is disabled. Now what we want to do next is we want to restart our phone. This is very important because this will fix any random glitches that just can appear on our device, and a simple restart definitely helps. So we want to press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's restarted. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort here is go over and update your software. So we're gonna wait for our apps to load. Let's open up these settings and let's scroll down until we see system. So the system is almost at the bottom. Now let's click system update and click check for updates right here. Now it's checking for updates. All you need is Wi-Fi connection, and my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that would be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.